Hi everyone, in this video I made a car parking game in Unity. Have a good time. First of all, I need a car to drive. So I found a car from asset store and I downloaded it. And it looks pretty cool. After that, I need a place where I can park my car. And for that, I downloaded a model that looks pretty cute. And another nice thing is that there were other cars in it and I can use them for parking. Then I put these cars in their places. Now it's time for my car. I put my car on the scene and I also downloaded skyboxes to make the scene dark. Because the night view will add a different atmosphere to the game. Then I added spotlights to the front of my car, so the headlights of my car will light my way. I worked on it to make it look a bit realistic. For this, I had to slightly adjust the light settings and size. I also made the rear lights of my car. For this, it was enough for me to add a red light to the back, cause I want the back lights to shine brighter when I brake. After, I had to add a wheel collider to the tires to drive my car. Of course, it's not enough to just add colliders to the tires. For this, I wrote code to be able to move my car. And I wrote codes to control the car lights. Now I can drive my car. I also added post-processing and made some adjustments to improve the graphics of game, because the graphics quality is important for me. I added two panels to my game. One of them is the failed panel and the passed panel. If I hit anywhere with the car, the failed panel will be active. Likewise, if I park my car properly, I will complete the game. And I had to write code to activate these panels. I added a cube to the location where I will park the car and I made it green to make it clear. Using the triggers, I check whether the car is parked. And I added a trigger to the rear of my car. When my car reaches the parking lot, I activate the passed panel. Now it's time to add the drunk effect. For this, I found a shader code on the internet and added it to the shader I created. After, I set this shader to the material. The drunk effect is ready now. Then I wanted to add people to the game to make the game a little difficult. For this, I downloaded the character package from the asset store. The animations of the people were not ready in the package I downloaded, so I added animation controls. Here I just used the Vulkan animation. The animations of the male and female models were separate, so I had to create a separate control for each. And I had to write code for these people to walk to random locations. At the same time, it was necessary to add colliders to the characters in order to understand that the car hit a person. For this, it's sufficient to use the on-collision method. Then I duplicated the characters and added them all over the scene. That way it became really difficult to park the car. Because each one is walking to a different position, it's not clear what will happen. Everything is ready. Now the only goal is to park the car without hitting anywhere. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Also, you can follow my Twitter and Instagram account. See you in the next video.